It is still difficult to believe how something as simple as climbing stairs or standing up from a chair can suddenly feel like a struggle. Even carrying a bag of groceries might seem more tiring than it used to. These subtle changes could be early signs of sarcopenia, a condition where aging gradually reduces muscle mass and strength. This issue affects millions across America. According to the American Geriatric Society, many adults over 50 begin to experience changes in muscle health that can reduce mobility and independence. But here's the encouraging news. Small lifestyle changes can lead to big improvements. In this video, we'll explore a powerful food that, when included in a balanced diet, may help strengthen muscles. If you or someone you care about is over 50, this information could be key to staying active and independent. Share this with your loved ones, and let's talk about long-term muscle health, starting with chickpeas. Chickpeas, those small golden legumes from the Mediterranean, are becoming a staple in American kitchens, not just for their taste, but for their health benefits. They're gaining recognition for their potential in supporting muscle health, especially in combating sarcopenia. So, what gives chickpeas their strength-boosting power? According to U.S. experts in nutrition and aging, chickpeas are packed with high-quality plant-based protein, essential for muscle repair and regeneration. Just 100 grams of cooked chickpeas contain about 9 grams of protein. They also provide 48 milligrams of magnesium, which helps muscles contract efficiently and reduces cramping. Even more impressive is their leucine content, a key amino acid that activates the mTOR pathway responsible for muscle growth and preservation. But the benefits don't stop there. Chickpeas are rich in fiber, about 7.6 grams per 100 grams, which helps stabilize blood sugar and prevent insulin spikes that can harm muscle tissue. They also contain 2.9 milligrams of iron, supporting oxygen delivery to muscle cells, enhancing endurance and speeding up recovery. To get the most out of chickpeas, eat 150 grams of cooked chickpeas 3 to 4 times a week. Pair them with a source of vitamin C, like a splash of lemon juice, to enhance iron absorption. Looking for a meal idea? Try a warm anti-inflammatory soup made with 200 g of chickpeas, 300 milliliters of vegetable broth, a teaspoon of turmeric, and a dash of black pepper. Delicious and nutritious. Even in some cultures, roasted chickpeas are ground into a caffeine-free coffee alternative that naturally boosts metabolism and energy. Now, let's move on to a second green powerhouse, peas. With their bright green color and tender texture, peas are far more than just a side dish. These small veggies pack a strong nutritional punch. Originally from the Mediterranean and Central Asia, peas have become a common part of the American diet thanks to their taste and muscle-supporting nutrients. They're an underrated ally in the fight against sarcopenia. American experts in geriatric nutrition have found that peas offer 5.4 grams of protein per 100 grams, making them a solid source of plant-based protein. Their lysine content stands out for supporting collagen production and muscle repair. Peas also contain about 1.5 milligrams of iron, helping improve oxygen flow to muscles and reduce fatigue. Plus, with 0.65 grams of leucine per 100 grams, peas help trigger muscle protein synthesis, essential for maintaining strength and slowing muscle loss in older adults. Peas also contain saponins, powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties that help protect muscles after physical activity. When combined with vitamin C-rich foods like lemon juice or red bell peppers, iron absorption from peas can increase by up to 67%. To enjoy their full benefits, aim to eat at least 150 grams of peas 3 times a week. Looking for a tasty idea? Try blending 200 grams of cooked peas with 20 grams of almonds and a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil to create a smooth, nutrient-rich spread your muscles will thank you for. Here's another bonus. Peas have nearly twice the fiber content of spinach, making them excellent for blood sugar regulation and digestive health. Now imagine pairing peas with another green superfood that's packed with protein. What natural ingredient, rich in chlorophyll and known for its muscle-repairing nutrients, could give your strength a real boost? Spirulina, a remarkable blue-green microalgae that thrives in alkaline lakes and has earned its title as a superfood. NASA even includes spirulina in astronauts' diets due to its dense nutritional profile. Back here on Earth, it's becoming a frontline defender against sarcopenia, the slow muscle loss that affects many people over 50. This condition is often linked to declining protein and micronutrient intake with age. Fortunately, spirulina contains up to 70% complete protein by dry weight, including all essential amino acids, far exceeding the 27% protein content found in chicken breast. But that's just the beginning. Spirulina also contains phycocyanin, a potent antioxidant that combats muscle cell inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting faster recovery and better endurance. Just 1 teaspoon, about 3 grams of spirulina powder provides 2 grams of protein and 50 milligrams of iron, vital for oxygen delivery to muscles and reducing fatigue. It also delivers a generous 195 milligrams of magnesium per 10 grams, supporting nerve function and preventing muscle cramps. For best results, consume 3 to 5 grams daily in smoothies, water, or fresh juice. Here's a pro tip. Mix it with lemon juice to enhance iron absorption. Need a muscle-reviving drink? Stir 5 grams of spirulina into 250 milliliters of coconut water for a refreshing, electrolyte-rich post-workout boost. In many countries, spirulina is also taken in capsule form to fight fatigue during long-distance travel. Another muscle-boosting powerhouse is parsley. While it's often used as a garnish in Mediterranean dishes, parsley is much more than a pretty touch. This humble herb is loaded with compounds that support muscle health and is a strong ally against age-related muscle loss. Parsley is one of the richest sources of apigenin, a flavonoid known to reduce inflammation and help regenerate muscle fibers. Just 10 grams of fresh parsley provide 130 milligrams of apigenin, more than most other plants. It's also packed with vitamin K, a staggering 16,640 micrograms per 100 grams, which is essential for muscle contractions and maintaining strong bones, both critical for mobility as we age. Even more, parsley contains 4 milligrams of iron per 100 grams, improving oxygen delivery to muscles and supporting sustained energy levels. Incredibly, just 50 grams of parsley gives you twice your daily requirement of vitamin C, a key nutrient for collagen production and muscle repair. To tap into these benefits, add 15 grams of fresh parsley to your daily routine. Try blending it into a green smoothie with lemon juice and spinach for maximum nutrient absorption. Or start your morning with a simple parsley tea by steeping 10 grams in 150 milliliters of hot water for 5 minutes. Here's a fun bit of history. Ancient Greek athletes once ate parsley before competitions to boost their stamina. Now it's your turn to tap into this age-old secret. Here's your challenge. What other sulfur-rich herb can work alongside parsley to enhance muscle repair and strength? You might already have it in your kitchen. 5. Chives. Don't be fooled by their slim green stalks and subtle taste. Chives are far more than just a garnish. Native to Europe and Asia and related to garlic and onions, chives are a nutritional powerhouse that supports muscle health, especially for adults over 50 battling sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. You're not alone if you're surprised. According to the American Geriatric Society, more than 30% of people over age 60 experience sarcopenia due to nutrient deficiencies. This is where chives come in. Just 100 grams of chives provide 90 milligrams of vitamin C, essential for collagen production and muscle repair. Even more impressive, they deliver a stunning 30,000 micrograms of vitamin K, which supports muscle contraction and bone integrity. But the real star? Chives are rich in alliin and flavonoids, compounds that enhance blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles, reducing fatigue and speeding recovery. Add to that quercetin, a potent antioxidant that calms inflammation and oxidative stress in muscle cells, helping preserve strength as you age. Aim to eat at least 10 grams of chives daily, ideally raw or lightly cooked to preserve nutrients. Here's a tasty, muscle-friendly option. Blend 10 grams of fresh chives with half an avocado and 150 milliliters of plain yogurt for a creamy, energizing smoothie. Or try making chive-infused oil by blending 30 grams of chives with 100 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. Let it sit for 24 hours and enjoy a delicious oil that supports muscle recovery with every drizzle. If this video revealed chives' hidden power, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Someone out there silently losing muscle may need this information. Drop "I'm ready" in the comments if you're ready to build strength today. The silent risk of sarcopenia. For anyone over 50, Sarcopenia is a quiet but serious threat. It's the slow, unnoticed erosion of your muscles, and one day, it can prevent you from standing, walking, or holding a loved one. But you can fight back, starting right now. Your plate is your first weapon. With the right foods, you can hold on to your independence, strength, and vitality. Rebuild leg strength with nutrient-packed foods. Do your legs feel weaker? Are stairs suddenly harder to climb? You're not alone. The American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons reports that 60% of adults over 50 experience leg weakness, leading to falls, emotional stress, and loss of independence. But this isn't just aging. It's a warning. Weak legs can damage your confidence and quality of life. Here's the good news. Specific foods can restore leg strength and mobility, often within weeks. Ready to reclaim your stride? Let's begin. 1. Lean protein. Your diet is a powerful tool for leg strength, and lean protein is essential. Think turkey, chicken breast, and white fish. These low-fat options are packed with nutrients. A 100-gram portion of skinless chicken breast contains 31 grams of high-quality protein, including leucine, an amino acid vital for muscle repair and growth. According to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, consuming adequate protein can slow or even prevent muscle loss in older adults. Leucine not only repairs muscle, it activates muscle protein synthesis, keeping your legs firm and functional. Aim for 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. For someone weighing 70 kilograms, 154 pounds, that's 84 to 105 grams of protein daily, spread across meals. To boost absorption, pair protein with vitamin C-rich veggies like bell peppers or broccoli. 2. Calcium from Parmesan cheese. Don't underestimate this small, flavorful cheese. Parmesan is a calcium-rich Italian treasure. Just 30 grams offers 330 milligrams of calcium, nearly one-third of the daily need for adults over 50. But calcium isn't just for bones. The NIH notes it also fuels muscle contractions, easing cramps, and supporting smoother leg movement. Maintaining strong bones and muscles is key for mobility. Enjoy Parmesan shredded on salads or as a 20 to 30 gram snack. Just watch portion sizes. It's easy to overindulge in this tasty treat. 3. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for strong bones and muscle function. It's found in fatty fish like salmon, 526 IU per 100 grams, and tuna, 268 IU per 100 grams, as well as fortified dairy products. The NIH reports that vitamin D enhances calcium and phosphorus absorption, both vital for muscular strength. Without enough, lower limb strength can drop by up to 20%. Adults over 50 should aim for 800 to 1,000 IU of vitamin D daily. Sunlight helps too, just 10 to 15 minutes of exposure per day. No sun? No problem. Eggs provide 44 IU each, and supplements can fill the gap. Because vitamin D is fat-soluble, consume it with healthy fats like olive oil to boost absorption. But vitamin D isn't the only nutrient that fortifies legs. 4. Omega-3s from salmon. Salmon is a true ocean superfood, rich in EPA and DHA, 2 omega-3 fatty acids that enhance leg strength and circulation. According to the American Heart Association, omega-3s reduce muscle inflammation and improve blood flow, key for mobility and performance. A single 3.5-ounce serving of salmon delivers over 70% of your daily omega-3 needs. These healthy fats prevent cramps, increase endurance, and keep you steady. Enjoy grilled or baked salmon twice a week. Add lemon juice for a burst of vitamin C and better nutrient absorption. There's another everyday item that boosts both hydration and muscle recovery. Can you guess what it is? It's one of the top 5 antioxidants. Ever thought about how colorful fruits might actually help strengthen your legs? Nature never ceases to amaze. Blueberries, strawberries, and pomegranates aren't just beautiful. They're packed with potent antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help shield muscle tissue from oxidative stress. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who eat just half a cup of blueberries daily can boost muscle endurance by up to 15%. Impressive, right? How does it work? Antioxidants reduce inflammation and support faster muscle recovery, keeping you energized and flexible as you age. Vitamin C in these fruits also helps tendons and ligaments produce collagen. Plus, their low calorie count makes them a smart, healthy snack. Want to add them to your day? Toss berries into your oatmeal or blend a smoothie with strawberries and pomegranate seeds for a refreshing boost. Just remember to stick to 1 cup daily to avoid excess natural sugars. Simple, delicious, and leg-friendly. But berries aren't the only leg-strengthening foods. Next up, whole grains. At number 6, these energy-boosting powerhouses are often overlooked. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, whole wheat, and rye are rich in complex carbs, fiber, and minerals like iron and zinc, which fuel and maintain muscle health. For instance, half a cup of dry oats delivers 4 grams of fiber and 2 milligrams of iron, great for circulation and strength. The American Heart Association found that diets high in whole grains can cut muscular inflammation by 25%, especially benefiting those over 50. They also help you hit the USDA's daily fiber goal of 25 to 30 grams. Make a habit of eating oatmeal, quinoa bowls, or whole grain toast. Add fruit or yogurt for variety. These grains offer lasting energy and vital muscle support. Now, the 7th key nutrient, magnesium. It's essential for proper muscle function, especially in your legs. Magnesium helps regulate contraction and relaxation. Almonds provide 76 milligrams per ounce, cooked spinach 87 milligrams per cup, and avocados 58 milligrams each. Adults over 50 need 320 to 420 milligrams daily, says the NIH. Why does this matter? A magnesium deficiency can cause cramping, fatigue, and weakness, but keeping your levels steady improves endurance and reduces that heavy leg feeling. For a boost, sprinkle almonds on breakfast or toss spinach into meals. Want a tasty blend? Try a smoothie with avocado, banana, and spinach. And finally, the 8th nutrient, potassium, nature's powerhouse mineral. Bananas are a delicious source, offering 422 milligrams of potassium, about 12% of your daily needs. Potassium improves muscle contractions, supports fluid balance, and reduces leg cramps. Other excellent sources include spinach, 558 milligrams per cooked cup, avocados, 485 milligrams per 100 grams, and baked potatoes, 926 milligrams per medium potato. Pair potassium-rich foods with protein and healthy fats to get the most out of them. Try a spinach avocado salad or mashed potatoes drizzled with olive oil. For a quick energy kick, blend a banana smoothie in the morning. But stay within the recommended limits. Too much potassium can be harmful. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family. It might just help them too. To everyone over 60, losing mobility can quietly steal your independence. Aching joints and restricted movement are signs of strength fading. But imagine walking without pain, climbing stairs confidently, and enjoying time with your grandchildren without limits. The right nutrients can help you maintain muscle strength and live an active, vibrant life. Don't let inaction waste your healing potential. You can restore movement at any age. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.